I can't believe I'm visiting the Great Wall in this weather. Back in sunny Queensland, coming to the Great Wall of China seemed like a really good idea. And winter didn't seem that daunting, but I'm not so sure at the moment. So the good thing about coming in winter is there are few other tourists and you don't have to battle the crowds. You can actually climb up the wall, but on a day like this, I'm definitely not climbing up. Welcome to the Great Wall of China.